Most women understand the secret psychology of how to make a man chase them, but most men don't understand it. And as a result, they think that women have all the power because women are using this secret psychology on them and causing the man to feel like he doesn't have any power in the situation. He's got to hopefully try to get a chance with her. He doesn't realize that he can flip the dynamic and actually be in the power position and make the woman feel like she wants to chase him. She wants to get with him. So how do you do it? Right, a lot of guys get confused about certain things that are said online. Right? They hear that women want what they can't have. Right? So they think, okay, that's how you get women to chase you. Right? Just show them that they can't have you. But it doesn't work like that. The woman's walking through her day, she's walking through a shopping mall or through the city, and none of these men are trying to get with her. Right? She can't have those men. They're not trying to get with her, right? So she wants to get with all of them now. It doesn't work like that. Instead, what you need to do is interact with a woman in a way that makes her feel attracted to you and give her the impression that you could stop paying attention to her at any moment if she doesn't continue to be impressive to you. And this is what women do to you. Right? When you're interacting with a woman that you find attractive, she's making you feel attracted, right? A man's attraction to a woman is very simple, right? She looks good and she's being friendly, fantastic. The guy's attracted. And for many guys, just the woman looking good is enough, right? He's already very attracted to her and he wants to have sex with her because men are more visual when it comes to attraction compared to women. It's very simple, right? Women just have to look good, and in some cases, they have to look good and be friendly and nice. And the guy's sold. He's like, yes, I like this girl. So she's making you feel attracted. It's very easy for her if she looks good. And she's also giving you the impression that she could stop paying attention to you at any moment if you're not being impressive enough to her. And if you think about it, people in the quote-unquote cool crowd do this as well. They're not cooler than you. Instead, they're just using this technique. They're using this secret psychology where you're looking at them as being cooler than you because they're confident in themselves, they believe in themselves, and they give you the impression at times that they could stop paying attention to you at any moment if you're not being impressive enough. They could stop seeing you as cool. Right? And with a woman, what she does is she gives you this impression where she can stop paying attention to you at any moment and not see you as attractive enough or impressive enough anymore. And you get that sense. And for most guys, they don't know what to do at that point other than try hard to be impressive to the woman. But if you do that, then she ends up feeling like she has more value than you. She's cooler than you. She's more attractive than you. And you're hoping to get a chance with her. And that's not the feeling that she wants to get. She wants to get the feeling where she's going to get a chance with you. You're cooler than her. You're more attractive than her. You're more confident than her. You're more switched on than her. And she's hopefully going to be able to get a chance with you. So the thing is, this doesn't work if a guy is talking to a woman and he's insecure and nervous and afraid of being rejected. Because she'll pick up on that. Right? She'll sense it in his body language, his vibe, his energy, what he's saying and not saying, that he sees her as being in the higher value position and he's hoping to get a chance with her. He's afraid of being rejected by her. He's scrambling to hopefully say the right things to get a chance with her. And if he then tries to pretend that he's losing interest in her or that he could potentially lose interest in her, she's not going to care because she's not feeling attracted to him, right? Women are attracted to emotional strength in men and not emotional weakness, right? So insecurity, nervousness, and so on are emotional weaknesses that women are not attracted to. But if a guy is confident and he believes in himself and he's making her feel attracted in other ways as he's interacting with her, for example, he's flirting with her or he's using what I call playfully challenging humor, or he's being assertive or charming or charismatic, any non-physical traits that trigger attraction inside of women, she's going to be feeling attracted to him. And if he then gives her the impression, the sense that he could stop paying attention to her at any moment if she's not being impressive enough, then she feels that. She feels that, okay, this is a guy who has value, right? This is a guy who is not desperate. This is a guy who she's going to have to be on her game for. She's going to have to turn on her charm. She's going to have to present herself in the best way possible to hopefully win him over. And as a result, she mentally starts to chase him. She starts to feel the emotions associated with wanting to chase him and pursue him in the interaction and hopefully get a result with him, because she doesn't want to end up feeling like she got rejected by a guy that she is attracted to and she really wants now. And one of the reasons this works so well is that most guys aren't willing to do it. Right? They're too afraid to do it, because when a guy's interacting with a woman that he finds attractive, he thinks that if I show her that I'm potentially losing interest in her here, right, she's talking and I suddenly start to change my body language and maybe give her a squint or not be interested in something that she's saying, or want to bring someone else into the conversation and talk to them as well, that she's then going to think, well, this guy's not interested in me enough, so I'm not going to get with him. But a small percentage of men are aware of the fact that women love the thrill of the chase. They love guys who are a challenge. They want to feel like they have to turn on their charm to win you over. They want to feel like you are the prize, and they don't want you saying that. They don't want you rubbing it in their face and being very arrogant about it or being rude about it, but they want to get that sense that you are a valuable guy, that you're not desperate. She's feeling attracted to you. She wants you, but she realizes you're not chasing her. You're not like other guys who are just hoping to get a chance. You actually seem like someone who could lose interest in her if she's not being impressive enough, and that's what the cool crowd do, and it's what women do to men. And what men feel as a result of that is they feel like women have all the power, right? Women are the ones who choose. But in reality, a very small percentage of men who understand this are the ones who choose, the ones who are willing to do this. And as I said, it doesn't work though if a guy's being nervous and insecure and is afraid of getting rejected by the woman. The woman can sense that. And if he then seems like he's losing some interest, she doesn't care because she's not attracted to him anyway. But if you're a guy who is able to display the non-physical traits that make women feel attracted to you, right, you're able to interact with a woman and honestly be confident, honestly be emotionally independent, and that means that your emotional state doesn't depend on her. You're going to be confident and feel good about yourself regardless of how she's behaving. And if you're able to be confident, emotionally independent, if you're able to use some assertiveness when necessary in the interaction, or you're able to flirt with the woman and create a sexual vibe, or be charismatic or charming, or use playfully challenging humor, there are so many non-physical traits that you can display that trigger attraction inside of women. You don't have to display them all in order to get a girl, but you need to be able to display some attractive traits in order to be attractive to women, because most women place more importance on your non-physical traits. And what's really amazing about a woman's attraction to a man's non-physical traits is that your face literally morphs in her eyes when you're displaying attractive traits. Right? This has been proven by multiple studies where when a man is displaying the type of non-physical traits that make women feel attracted, she then looks at his physical appearance in a more positive light. She rates him as being more physically attractive, more handsome, because he's displaying confidence or emotional independence, assertiveness, and so on. When he has those type of non-physical traits that trigger attraction inside of women that for men usually aren't important at all, the woman feels more attracted to him. She rates him as being better looking. Right? So most men don't need a woman to be displaying assertiveness in order to feel attracted to her. In fact, most men are more attracted to submissive or obedient or agreeable women. A woman who's going to be compliant, say yes, go along with what he wants, rather than being assertive. And for most men, they don't really care if a woman is confident or shy. Some men don't like shy girls, but for most men, they're more visual. They're going to look at a woman, and if she's shy, insecure, confident, whatever, right? She looks good. But for women, non-physical traits such as confidence, what I call emotional masculinity, emotional independence, and so on, are very important. They directly influence a woman's attraction for you, and as a result, she looks at your face as being better looking when she's feeling attracted to your non-physical traits. Right? So if you're able to make a woman feel attracted to you when you're interacting with her, and then you give her the impression that you could lose interest and you could stop paying attention at any moment based on if she's not impressive enough to you, she feels that pressure. Just like you feel that pressure when you're interacting with a woman that you find attractive, and she gives you that sense that she could lose interest at any moment. She has that power over you because she is naturally attractive based on her looks. A man's attraction is much more simple, right? She looks good, done. And for some guys, it's got to be she looks good and she's friendly. But for other guys, she looks good and she's cold and she's a bit bitchy. I don't care. She looks good. I want to have sex with her. But for most men, she looks good, she's friendly, or she looks good. That's it. It's very simple. As a result, women have that default power, but it doesn't mean that women have to be in the power position. You can flip it. You can be one of the small percentage of men who are in the power position where women want to chase you. They want to pursue you when you first interact with them, when you're dating them, and when you're in a long-term relationship with them. All right, the woman will still feel that urge to be impressive to you. If you understand this secret psychology and you know how to make women feel attracted and you're willing to do it. So I hope this insight has been helpful for you. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love what I teach in my Attraction Mastery video lesson series. The guys who are watching the video lessons, learning my exclusive techniques, and applying them are getting results like this, where they're having sex with women on the first night that they meet them, they're kissing women within minutes of meeting them, they're getting themselves a girlfriend, they're enjoying all sorts of fun results with women as a result of being able to make women feel attracted to them and having the confidence to shoot their shot. Right? A lot of guys will find themselves in an interaction with a woman who is feeling some attraction, but the guy doesn't have the confidence and belief in himself to actually shoot his shot. And you'll get that confidence and belief in yourself in the first lesson of the Attraction Mastery video lesson series. It's so important. That's why I put it in the first lesson. You have to have that type of confidence. Otherwise, you'll find yourself in a situation with a woman who does like you, and you won't have the confidence to shoot your shot. You'll doubt yourself, and you'll lose your opportunity with her. So if you want to know what to say and do to make women feel sexually and romantically attracted to you, and how to have the confidence then to shoot your shot, head over to masterattraction.com and begin watching the Attraction Mastery video lesson series. Alternatively, I'll see you in the next video here on YouTube.